right. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. I'm just setting up. It'll take about 2 seconds. I'm going to share on Facebook next. And then what really helps with growth is when members, share. If I make you a lot of money on an alert, I don't ask for money, but I do like shares. So, crap. I don't have a pre-temp. That'll work. No, that's two. 2 and 1. All right, beautiful. We had a lot of signups last night. I did not even get a chance to add everybody. I have to redo the link to make sure that it says to sign up for Telegram. That way I can add people in 2 seconds. Now, I should have thought of that like 9 months ago. Just put in the, thing to download Telegram, and leave me your number, and then I can add you right away. Like, I don't have to find you. I don't have to, none of that. But, of course, why would I do things the easy way? All right, I think we're ready to go. We're live on Facebook, live on YouTube, live on Easy Webinar. And I'm going to do this today. Actually, I'm not going to do this today. Well, yes, I am going to do that today, but I'm not going to do that. Okay. So I am going to do this today. It is September 11th, and in honor of, you know, the website was supposed to be up, but ah, don't get me started. Uh, Anybody that is a veteran, active service member, or the spouse of a veteran, you can sign up for free today. You just got to show some kind of proof, whether it's your military card or your military ID. Um, uh, I prefer your military ID, honestly. Paperwork is Somebody did try it. They tried fucking, excuse my language, but they tried, because it makes me mad. They tried sketching up. I'm like, bro, it's $40. You went through the trouble of forging military documents? Like, where'd you even get that? He's like, he thought it was funny. Sorry, I don't mean to make fun of other people. I get it. Whatever. People fall on hard times. Maybe they're not. Maybe not. Maybe they're just scumbags, right? All right. Good morning, T-Bags. Good morning, Julio. Good morning, Sandy Santos. Good morning, Robbie. Good morning, Darlene. Good morning, Ralph. And good morning, Ralph. Good morning, Ralph. And I'm sorry, Marque. Good morning to you guys. Who's with us on, let's go on analytics. YouTube's still growing. Um, and let's go to Facebook real quick. All right, we're not too bad. 8:57. I only wanted to start at 8:30. I don't know. You know why? You know what it is? I think I have to start at 8:30 to be able to start at 9 o'clock, because that's just in my head. If I tell myself I'm starting at 8:30, I'll be ready by 9 o'clock. That's just the way it is. There's so much stuff that comes up in the morning. People, signed up, and you don't want to leave them out, and wow, two Florida parents are pressing charges against and shit like that happens. I get distracted. Pardon my French. I'm always pardoning, man. But yes, oh yes. Did I finish saying today? Yeah, I did say you can sign for free. So if you know someone, whether they're interested or not, I prefer interested, but they may not know they're interested. Okay, good morning, Facebook. Good morning, good morning. I would appreciate any shares, guys, on Facebook. And if we can get 10 shares into groups, not into groups that allow it, I'll release the private link. That's right, 10 shares. That's all it takes. 10 shares. Round and round, the wheel it goes. Can we get there? Nobody knows. 10 links. 10 links. 10 shares. All right, so I'm going to start sharing. All right, let's go there, there, and don't really care if you block me. And that's good. That gets a wide variety. All right, good morning, everybody. This is Luke from Breakout Trading, and what you're going to see today, it is 9 o'clock, right? It is 9 o'clock, and what you're going to see today is some transparent trading, a mix of all kinds of trading strategies. Now, some may be for you, some may not be for you. We do trade penny stocks, mid caps, large caps, and options. When I trade, I do not in particular use a lot of equity. I like to use less than 10,000. Um, and well, let me explain. This account within itself is worth 5,000. So if you count the value of that, I like to trade with about 15,000 on the day, and that's really worth of value. I'm down 831 on the day. This RH turned against me overnight, but I do think it is going to take off in the morning anyway. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the small caps, the penny stocks, the cheaper stocks, and we're going to go ahead and see if there's anything there that's worth trading. The strategy we use for that is the five-finger strategy. Okay. So while I pull up the five-finger strategy um and its thing and its specifications, I would like to quickly say that we do right now have a special. It's $40 to sign up for a lifetime. That's a lifetime, like a one-time fee. $40. That's it. And you have a 14-day money back satisfaction guarantee. Okay. Now keep in mind that's satisfaction guarantee. It's based off expectation. I'm not guaranteeing you that we will have amazing performance because legally I can't. But what else? Um, yeah. So what it comes with is you get the 0-second delay live stream, which has a little interactive chat on there, which is very important because sometimes when we do momentum trading, it's in and out. Uh, and it also comes with you have the right at any time to ask me for a consultation, and I never will ever turn anybody down for a consultation. I don't care how big we get. I may take those words back, maybe. I don't know, one day. But for now, I will not turn anybody down for a consultation. How a consultation works is I have already preset questions to kind of gauge your risk and how much risk you take and how much money you should risk because of how much risk you take. And we also look at things like family factors. Do you have a house? Do you have it paid off? Do you have children? Things like that. So we factor all that into trying to find you a strategy that's best for you, because most traders fail because they are not following a proven strategy. It's that simple. So once we find something that works for you, we move on from there. So you get the consultation, you get the text alerts from not only me, but from someone we call Tony Hedges. His real name is Antonio Nasta. He's a hedge fund manager currently working at a firm right now. So he sends his text alerts. You get my text alerts as well. We trade all our text alerts live. So whatever I text out, I put my money where my mouth is. Um, what else? Let's see. It's like all over the place. In general, we make $15,000 to $30,000 a month. That's all verified through. Could all be verified through Facebook. Everything is pretty much put on Facebook. Can be verified through statements as well, but it is multiple statements. And let's see. Did I get the live stream? You get the live stream. You get the text alerts. Text alerts is really where, the main juice of it all, because you're literally getting, like, look at yesterday's text alerts on my Facebook. That's ridiculous. That was a 7-0, and we played Roku short. Got out, got back in 20 minutes later, and it crashed. And just, we do use AI technology as well to help with trades like that, but we were 7-0 yesterday. Um, and just, yeah, see, I told you RH is going to pop up. Anyway, that's it. That's pretty much how breakout trading works. It's $40 for a lifetime. Oh, and we have the website coming out, breakouttrading.net. Breakout is going to be crazy. There's going to be so much stuff going on. We're going to have the Breakout Trading University. We're going to have the live stream embedded onto there, and that would be zero delay. There will be an obvious members only section. Now, there won't be any lifetime accounts once the website is up. It will be on a subscription basis only. Um, However, you can pay month to month if you need to. Uh, but even that's like $50 a month. So you're getting a lifetime for 40. Take advantage of the opportunity because I just, of course, I think it's worth it. But ask people what they think about it. All right, let's move on to the scan. So the five finger strategy is pretty simple. We're looking for stocks between 90 cents and $12. Okay. Um, so that's the first candidate. But sometimes we interject. Now, when we're looking for point plays, it could be from $12 to $100 to even $200. So sometimes if we see something nice along the way, even if it's outside the strategy, we'll look at it. So I want to take a look at love, and the way that I prefer to look at stocks is with to gauge whether a stock is worth investing or not is with pivot points. If you've ever read Jesse Livermore's um, How to Trade in Stock, I have it on the bookshelf over there. You That is his key as well, was pivot points. And so I will obviously take a look at love with pivot points. Pivot points not only tell me whether I should get in, they give me an idea of my entry and an idea of my exit. All right, so I want to pull up Benzinga Pro real quick. By the way, this platform that you're seeing is Trade Ideas. I do have a discount code if you're interested in that. Let me know. Are they really all boosting Apple? They are just. I'm telling you, CNBC is one big what do you call it? Tout fest. They just always tout the same stuff. They don't talk about there's millions of other stocks making more money than a lot of the names they bring up, like Beyond Meat. It's just ridiculous. All right. Beyond Meat, yeah, I'm saying Beyond Meat doesn't make anything, but they talk about it all the time, and they're talking about this. They're touting this. I think there's a secret fund where you can pay producers or something. They're touting that bike. That I forgot what that bike is called. But it's like the big deal now. Oh no, that's Tradenet discounts. Um, all right, I see we're running low on time here. So what I'm going to do is just say screw that. And I'm going to do my thing and explain along the way. All right, so I already have all the top ones here charted. Mankind, I did not see on here though. Um, Roku seems like it's rebounding to the upside. Let's see what happens out the gate. Mankind could be a quick pump and dump. Arcadia's on here, all the usual suspects. Yeah, this started popping up. It's got no volume though. Looks like 10,000. No volume, not interested. Yuma, very low float. We've already reached the float in volume. But Yuma, what did I see that I didn't like? I didn't like its formation. Looks like it popped up and now it's going down. However, I think it's possible we'll see this kind of weak dead cat bounce and it might pop at the open. But let's go ahead and check the pivot points on Yuma. Now, the way I like to check pivot points, and I know you can integrate them into Facebook, but I like to do it this way, is with stockcharts.com. It gives me the monthlies, it let me see the previous months, and that's how I like to do it. Yuma. And we're also waiting to find out Tony Hedges' picks as well. Okay. So stockcharts.com. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 da, ba, 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 da. So when you go to stockcharts.com, enter in the ticker, scroll down to range, put predefined range. Years one, I like to see the 52-week high because that could give me the incentive to buy. Sometimes I like to buy high, sell higher. I put my size at 780. Simply go to overlays and put pivot points. Update. That's it. And it's pretty early in the month, so these are pretty accurate. All right, so we shot up to the P, right? We're at 319 right now, I believe. We're just shy of 319. So my entry, oof, and this thing can move. I love it. I love it. I love it. Um, and we have to look at love too, by the way. It's a good stock. I love its position. I love its potential. I love this stock. Give me something else. Give me something else on Yuma, and I will fall head over heels and enter it right now. Okay. I'm looking to enter this over 320. Okay. I want to know the news on Yuma. I want to know the news. I want to know why it's up. Is it up for a reason? Oof, you could see it already hit a really high point. Okay, it's getting close to the pivot. Getting close to the pivot. I'm gonna have to go ahead and I can't ignore that. Stop buy order at 321. Oh, hang on. Ah, it's at 320 right now. Okay. Give me it. 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 Give me. 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 What is it at? Oh, yeah. What am I doing? Okay. I just bought 100 shares of that. Gonna just hold those for now. And pivot points also help you find your stop in case I entered that prematurely. I entered it straightly on technical pattern. And okay, so what's the news? Yuma's energy stock soars after Red Mountain buys up senior secured debt. Okay, so Red Mountain bought up their bonds. Yeah, it's not fantastic news. Let's see if it's on the NASDAQ most advanced list. I use that as one of the kickers in the five finger strategy. But let me see if NASDAQ most advanced. So I would probably exit this one. Only I'm in light, so I don't care. But if it pops, I'm gonna go in heavier. Um, what am I doing? NASDAQ most active. Oh no, it's not on the most advanced. Less and less giddy over that pick. LXRX looks great, and I knew Love would be here, and I knew AIMT would be here as well. These are all names I really like. Franz was a pick that I actually set to swing overnight, so that's pretty funny. Um, Here it is on the most advanced list. Wow, a lot of good stuff here. Let's look at LXRX. LXRX. Okay, it's a brand. Oh no, it's not a brand new stock. It just took a crap recently. All right, we're gonna have an NYSE moment of silence. We are going to play that here. I'm just gonna put on the CNBC from uh, the Thinkorswim app, and I'd be gracious if you took along, um, followed along. I mean, the Twin Towers was something living in New York, Long Island. I mean, we're the island off Manhattan, So it's like we see that every day. And at that time, I lived like right near the city. Now I'm a little deeper into the island, but when it happened. All right, so LXRX is at 2221. Its pivot points are at 180, so we're well overextended on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and if it's not already on, are we up? Oh, Yuma's moving. Yuma's on the move. That's good to know. All right, so it did blast through the pivot. Very good. We need to break over 340 though. Very important that we break over that level there, 340, because then it signifies a new peak over the previous peak, signifies a change in trend. All right, so it looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Only up 10 cents. Went in too light. But I kind of went in on a whim, too. Dang, it's starting to come down now. All right. All right, so all you need is 220. I would not buy this, man. The trend is just terrible. I just don't like it. I don't know why it's most advanced. It's got some volume. Let's look at Benzinga Pro. Is there anything I missed? Okay, I think we're getting ready to do the moment of silence. Um, we will partake in that. Okay. And I know Amita Teabag has. By the way, if you're in my group, the quickest way to cut through to me is to send me a message on Telegram. Okay. Here comes the moment of silence, guys. Oh,
Influence.
The NYSE and the NASDAQ each about to observe a moment of silence as we remember those who lost their lives on September 11th, 2001. You're going to hear the words never forget a lot today, but it happens to be true that we will never forget. Nearly 3,000 people killed, 6,000 injured, 10,000 or $10 billion in infrastructure damage.
You know, I did a documentary about the redo. It did take for a long time, but it's quite stirring. It's amazing.
all right, guys. Put it back on a headset. Good morning, everybody, by the way. Good morning, T-Bags. Mark, we said good morning already. Let's go down to the bottom. Don, Dan, Aiden. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Fran? No, not Fran. Oh, Fran, question mark, like, should we trade it? Well, it popped up in the pre-market, then it popped down. It looks like it's a pump and dump stock. It looks like it's on the end of the dump end of the spectrum now. Um, it was represented as a swing overnight. I sold it in the after hours. Uh, but we'll keep an eye. Uh, LXRX has, let me put this back on my TV. LXRX looks really good right now. Looks like it's about to break over pre-market highs. It's a most advanced stock. I like it. Why? What's going on with it? The Daily Biotech Pulse is a pump and dump company, man. They just purposely try to pump stuff up. Okay, so it's been upgraded. What's the buy target? Do we have a new target? Or has it just been an upgraded to a buy? Some of them don't give targets. Looks good. I like it as a breakout trade, and that's it. And speaking of, let me start sending out text alerts.
See. We've talked a lot about the momentum shift this week, and it's reflected in the NASDAQ down 3 straight days, but the Dow up 5 straight days.
All right, so Yuma still seems to be at the top, followed by LXRX. Um, oh, text alerts. All right, so I'm gonna send out some alerts. Tony Hedges has not sent me anything yet, which is odd. But I would imagine he'd pick LXRX. Um, oh, there you go. Speak of the devil. He just sent me out Love, which is what I was literally gonna look at next. We're running low on time, so I'm gonna trust his input on it. And LXRX over. Hold on, where are we at here? Okay, I'm sending that one out. Got 3.5 minutes. I'm not gonna do my own technical analysis on Love. I'm just gonna take Tony's. I believe him. He is a hedge fund manager after all. There's so many opportunities out there. I think RH is gonna rock out the gate. I think Roku's gonna rock out the gate. Just not sure which direction. Um, okay. Here's another one. It says love Tony Hedges. Okay, he's got it with that. He's got it with this bid. Bid just means limit order. Uh, and then he has the target as speculative. Can go to this amount. And UID. It's speculative. I'm gonna put this one in since I went in it. I think we need to watch the market today. I think market plays, oil plays. I'm really starting to like stocks like Drip. especially after yesterday. Drip and Gush are oil stocks, crude in particular, and I think they're 3 times weighted. It's kind of down. Doesn't sound good when I hear it. It's kind, I mean, Yuma. I don't remember what I did with Yuma. Yuma was a 319 entry, entry point 3.51. Okay, cool, 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 cool. All right, we open. Let's check out the stocks that we're looking at. That's this page. No, it's not. That's this page. What were we watching here? NXRX, LXRX, LX. Okay. Charts. Okay. Roku on the dive so far. MIK on the pop. Beyond not doing anything. Okay. Let's check this one. Yuma took a massive dive. Oh, what a beautiful entry you could have got if you would have caught it. If you would have been quick enough to catch that, if you would have had bids down at, that's what happened. People had bids all the way down here, and people sold off at the open. I think we're on a circuit breaker right now. Yeah, definitely are. Fran popped, nice 12, dropped. That's why these little ones are very dangerous. Love, I missed my entry on Love. LOVE. Come on, pull back, pull back, pull back. Go ahead, go ahead. A little more. A little more, 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 little more. I'm way too far from my entry. If it could come down a little more. Sector isn't tradable. Okay. 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 Not mad, but love looks lovely. Uh, do not ignore it if you missed the bid. You might be able to catch the bid. Oh yeah, you have to catch the bid. Now I get it. Okay, sorry, it wasn't my order, so I didn't get it. But you would have been able to catch the bid. You wouldn't have been able to catch the bid. It needs a drawback. So we are literally waiting for the drawback on this one, and I hope that it takes 14 minutes or even 12 because I'm buying options on it. So stay tuned. I'll let you know which options. RH is looking pretty damn good right now. Um, really damn good. Wow. Came out of that hole quick. Um, position. Oh man, don't do that. You were just rallying. Let me add. I'm averaging down. Go ahead. There we go. All right. I told you RH was a good pick. All right. There we go. 570. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take 648. I sold that too early. 100 market buy. No, 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 no. I almost bought 1,000. I'm buying 100. Go, 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 go. Ooh, it gave me a terrible spread. If I bought 100 shares and I'm down 100, it literally gave me $1 spread. You sleazy, slimy son of a businessman. Now it shook me out. I turned 600 into 446. I'm done. I'm done with RH. I'm just happy that that was negative 600. Now I'm up 400. All right, let's go check on other things. Yuma still halted on a circuit breaker, or is this a 5-minute candle? I can't tell. No, halted on a circuit breaker. Yuma looked like it was cup. Let me learn my lesson here and put in a stop loss, right? Am I right though? But I really don't care though. But for teaching, I should put in a stop loss. But I have a feeling it's gonna pop up. Because then you get stopped out. Look, if you would have had a stop, you would have got stopped out. That's what someone did. They came in. It's a million share float. If you have 300,000 shares, you own this stock. You can do whatever you want with it. You can bring the price down, pick up all the stocks. Now you have 400,000 shares. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's going on here. This is just literally everybody getting stopped out. Luckily for them, Lukey boy don't use stops sometimes. Sometimes is the key. I do use stops, but just sometimes. Tattoo looks like it, came out, sold off what it had to sell, and now is reversing. Yeah, this is looking really good, Yuma. It's looking really, really good. Did I send it out? Did I send something out for Yuma? I did. I did. I did. And you guys would be in right now. Fran looks like it's coming back up. Oh, freaking love, no love. Yeah, that love, I don't know. Is that the pivot on love? Antonio says love is a 2085 bid, so that is not the entry. Yuma looking great. Yuma just taking off. Gonna just let it run for now. It's got a history of making bold moves throughout the day. So no reason to cut it short, and it's such a light position anyway. Fran looks good. Fran pulled down for you too, just like this one, to give you a nice entry. These are both being manipulated. Be very careful. I would say have a stop in place. I don't want to have one, but I'm gonna have one. Let me see if we could break 4 first, and then I'll put a stop in place. But LRNX broke. Oh, okay, it broke. So I don't like this one. How are markets? Markets. All right, I like to have all my markets on this monitor here. How's RH doing, by the way? It ain't doing jack. It's a good price to sell at. Now it looks like it's coming down. Could probably short it. Fran looks like it's reversing a little bit. Okay, here you go. Yuma's about to pop 4. I would say you could use 4 as an entry. 401. But I'm not gonna put that in as an official text. Okay. Let me check out real quick. Um, Beyond Meat's popping. Roku's popping. Okay. We might see a nice move from Roku today. It is possible. What are we up? 2%. After going down almost 10% yesterday. Um, Beyond is really taking off there, huh? Okay, so I'm up 77 on Yuma. Sell Yuma. Come on, we're gonna break 4 here. I know we are. And we're gonna shoot up to like 420. And I'll sell 75 like that. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. All right, we broke 20. We broke 20. I mean, we broke 20. We broke 4. We're 406. We're getting close to that 420 mark. All right, you know what? No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That was an impulse move. Put it back. Drop it. It was good where it was. Right at 420. 420 is Adolf Hitler's birthday. It's 9/11. The two kind of go hand in hand. All right. So I got my partial filled at 420. Now I just got 25 shares sitting in this thing. Beautiful, beautiful play. $100, not a lot of money. I spent $319 and made $100. You know, imagine if I spent more, but I usually won't in those little ones. It's too risky. Um, so now AIMT, that was the one I forgot to look at. They are coming out with a potential peanut allergy drug that is like gonna revolutionize the space and be released by the market to the market by the FDA. Oh man. Okay, all right. So let's not rush into any trades. Love doesn't look too good right now, but that might be the signal for the bid. I mean, for the buy. Tattoo looks pretty good. You'll notice that these top stocks, when one goes up, others seem to go down because that's where the money's kind of going. But remember when I was about to move my partial and my 75 shares, and then I stopped myself? That's an impulsive move sellers make. They'll say, "Oh, let me just take it now. I got the money in the hand." No, leave it at your target. Believe in your target. Leave it at your target. And wow, Yuma really was a good pick. We should have went in a little more heavy. Literally not in anything else, but I like AMIT. I feel like I'm not chasing the gap too much. I am not going to wait for a pullback though, but I am going to get 250 shares of this market. What's the spread like? Not too wide. I think it's going to break 25, but I'll get in early on that. But in terms of, let's look real quick. Let's find its pivot point. Oof, it pulled back a lot there. But I think this is going to break 452. This is kind of the one you let run until it lets you know it's done. And that is not letting me know it's done. But I will put a stop loss below $4 for sure. Um, well, my entry price is 319, so I could put a stop loss at 350 if I want, and just see how far this thing can run. But let me put in the stop loss just to be safe. I would like to put in a with stop order on here because I have a feeling this is going to have a skyrocket. You know, what do they call that? A skyscraper peak. You know, like the Empire State Building has the antenna. I have the feeling we're going to see that. We're going to have one last move where we see that antenna comes down and that's it. Or, you know, a wick is what the technical term for it is in stock trading. But this does look a little bit like a reversal. I'm not gonna let it shake me out, but let me put the stop in. Click that. Hit sell. I'm not in. Oh, I am in extended hours. That's right. I bought this pre-market. Sell. Can I do with stop? Hold on. I'm gonna do sell with stop. Sell custom with stop. So it'll be 2 sells. It's not gonna let me do it. It's not marginable, and I'm not on a margin account. But my stop would be like 365, honestly. Confirm sends. Because I'll still be profitable. But it definitely will eat into my profit. I just don't want to get stopped out on a. I think 385 is good. And then my. Oh, no, 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 no. That's right. Yeah. And then my sell target is for. Do we think we can hit 5 on this? Yeah, I do. 5. 523. Again, this is my partial, so it's my last quarter of the shares. So you can really play with this however you want. You know, it's like it's up to your discretion. Looks like it worked. All right. So I got my stop loss in and I got my target in. All right, there's Fran taking a dump. There's Outlook, which we knew was gonna rally. Oh, okay. And here's AIMT broke 25. I forgot to put in the text alert. I'm so sorry. But it doesn't seem to be doing anything anyway. It looks like a false breakout. I'm gonna set a range order on this so I don't have to watch it like a freaking hawk. Position. Range is the same thing as a with stop order. So my stop on this will be no, no way. I'm not losing that much. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. All right, so Spy's looking really good. Yuma's looking great. Wait, why is my stop all the way up here? See, I knew something was wrong. Makes no sense. Stop should be below. Here we go. We're at 480. I think we're gonna get at that 5. I'm just worried if this limit order is gonna work or not, because this order looks jacked up. I'm gonna end that. Oh, it worked. All right, we're getting ready to break 5. I don't think we're gonna go that far above 5. I think we'll go to like 510. Did we break 5? Okay, we're about to break 5. Okay. AIMT is looking better. Let me send out that text alert. Let me get that one out. I like AIMT. Roku, how's Roku doing? Love looks really good now. Love, I screwed up. I should have gotten Love. LRNX. Let me put Roku here. Oh no, Roku, you didn't. You didn't shit on the carpet. Okay, we're at 495. Come on, let's break that freaking 495. 499. You're gonna go to 525 probably. but you'll definitely go to 5. You'll definitely go to 507. Probably go to 525 too. Come on. Oh, we hit 480. Maybe we won't break 5. 477. Roku, what are you doing, buddy? Roku's gonna hit 133. So we already know that. Let me see something here. Oh, that peak was your perfect entrance. It was up 2%. You fucking kidding? What's going on? Yeah, you better fill. You better fill. All right, I'm coming out with another text alert. Right now. Damn, AMT, you took a dump on me. Well, red in my book, kill red. Red is dead, and you are dead, my friend. I mean, price is invalid. Oh, market. Red, it's popping up now. Maybe I should give it a minute or average down. In case you can't tell, I'm a big fan of averaging down. All right, so I got a tight eye on that. Okay, Yuma. Wow, Fran is really taking off. FRAN. Really just broke over the pre-market. Oh no, it didn't break over the pre-market highs yet. I mean, intraday highs yet, but it's looking to. Okay, that's taking off goods. I think that that's gonna stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and ROKU, SHORT. I'm not even gonna wait for the pullback because I expect it to dump so much, and I'm taking forever. You son of a b! I put 5,000, and I missed all that movement. All right, I didn't get killed there. AIMT, I'm getting out of you. So pop up into a green number, please. All right, I'll hold on to AIMT. I believe in it. I mean, come on, it's gonna cure peanut butter allergies. That's a major issue. They got peanut butter tables in schools now. That would be like the geek table, you know what I mean? Like, think about that. It's just, I'm not saying that people with peanut butter allergies are the geek, but I'm saying there might be bully issues because of that. It's a serious thing. Don't hate. Okay, so I like this pull up here, and I'm a little worried. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Is that pull up a reversal or just a pull up? It's a great potential entry. Up 74. I think it's a great potential entry. That's my take on it. Trades. Um, too slow, too slow. Oh my God, these options are moving too fast. This is too volatile, Roku. You're too volatile. Pop up a little bit to where you were. Fran is killing it, by the way. FRAN is killing it. No, I don't have a good entry on Roku. I am currently in an option on Roku. It is a cheaper option. It is because they move pretty well, and it's very volatile, Roku. It is the September 13th, 138 put. So let me get that out on the text alert. What's the price here? 142.43. This is all going to be TBD, TBD. Just take it. Actually, you do your own research before taking anything. But this pullback here is looking pretty sweet. So I'm assuming this is from a pullback. And because of that, let me just make sure that is from a pullback. Okay, Roku, what is it doing? It's like a weird. Okay, that's a consolidation point. Shit. How much did this price just change in the last 2 seconds? Okay. Huh. Okay, good. I got the 55 fill. I'm averaging up, which is not always great. So no, my new trade price is 238. It was like 220, I think. For a 480 on the mark here. What a great entry. 3 right 19 right at the pivot. Oh, where was the other pivot point? That's what we're forgetting. That's the missing piece here. On Yuma, there was a pivot point above that one. We were just at the P. And it was 516. So that's where we're going to reach. It's 516. Target on Yuma, 516. End target. You already should have taken some profit. All right, now what's going on with Roku? I'll probably sell these for a loss now. It popped up. No, this is a downtrend. The markets. How do the markets look? Okay, markets look like they are actually in the midst of a reversal to the downside. I don't know though. It's hard to say. Um, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the risk on that one. What's life without risk? And I'm gonna go ahead and trade some UVXY, baby. My biggest gainer, like by 90%. It's crazy. All right, let's go ahead and get. I'm not expecting a huge move, so I'm gonna go out here, right here. I like this one. Nope. Ugh, I I got price gouged. Come on, 204. All right, I filled that one. I'm gonna put that in. I don't know if I'm gonna put that one in because the market might pop right up right now. I don't know if this is gonna be a continued downtrend or I might literally exit this in 2 seconds. So I'm not gonna send it yet. Oof, Roku's all over the place, man. Come on, Yuma has to touch that pivot, man. Can't just give out. His legs gave out. Ah. Okay, Roku, what are you doing? Oh wow, might be time to get out. It looks like it's trying really hard to be bullish. All right, I don't like that. I'm selling one of them. 211. Sell one. Yeah, that does not look good. What are we? Still negative or positive? What the fuck is this? Seeing if it breaks the VWAP. Come on, pop back down. There we fucking go. What that bullshit is, man. I need to see this on a better chart than this one. Alright. This just looks like an uptrend in what is essentially a downtrend. If you look at it from a better chart. Pops up, it pops down. It's a flow. It's got a flow to it. The flow needs to stay consistent. Cocksucker. Sorry, I'm cursing a lot today, aren't I? probably just going to be quiet for a little bit as I am trying to gauge what's going on here. I think I'm going to sell one of these Rokus at $30 of a loss. I think that might be the smart thing to do. And then sell 250 shares of Roku out of the 500. All right. It's times like these where there's a lot going on. I'm not even paying attention that AIMT is robbing me secretly right now, and I'm worried about these two options. Well, these could technically rob my liquidity. Tradenet, it's less liquid, so it's like, okay, I could always get that back. Actually, it's doing good now, AIMT, but it was robbing me before. Not even paying attention to this one, Yuma. P&L on the day, 109. We're at 450. Fran is killing it. Told you, Fran was a swing from yesterday on the traders list. Outlook is doing amazing as usual, and Love, not so well. So here's Fran doing amazing. Here's Yuma, kind of at this flat level. Outlook's done. Don't try to get in it now. It's like catching a falling knife. Blah blah blah. All right, I need to refocus here. I need to figure out what I'm doing. Should I sell one of these and half my shares for the loss? And there goes AAMT, that son of a B, just taking my money. I'm down a lot right now. I'm down about 1,000 all around. Um, okay, the market is definitely what I think looks like to be coming down, which can help. Oh, no. Okay. Cup and handle on frickin' Roku. Okay, let me exit that position. Okay, I'm bailing out of everything. Cup and handle on Roku. Okay, I sold one. All right, what I did was I sold. Oh no. Apparently I sold both of them. Well, then Roku better go up. All right, let's go ahead and change positions then. If Roku's gonna go up, yep, which it is. Trade Roku calls, and it also covers my other position. All right. Let's see if Roku does it. So, okay, I took a massive hit here. Position, sell, buy the cover. Position, market. Come on, man. Market, buy the cover. Damn, that took forever. And now I'm going to be trying to get in on the... Okay, here's a pullback. Here's a pullback. 800, Roku, market, buy. But this is a clear-cut head and shoulder cup and handle here. So there you go, you bitch. You better frickin' take off. I just changed my whole positions around. My mentor once told me, you're never long, right, in a position and then out. You're either long or short. So this clearly cup and handle technical formation, followed by that. So I literally purchased a call option, and I have back at least half of my losses from those puts. Those puts were up $80 at one point. So it kills me. I could have took the 80 plus took this. Yuma, I can't figure out what the hell it's going to do, so I think I'm going to just sell it before it dies. All right, so there we go. We got some activity. And what I also used is a system called the Nightingale. Notice that I took that massive loss of 1,700. When I went back in on Roku, okay, I could probably sell this Roku for a lot right now. Let me see if I can't get $120 for it. What's the current price? Mark 380, 430. So I have to sell it for. There we go. Come on, give me that. Oof, I'm so close. But what I did was Nightingale. So I went in here at around 500 shares. And I'm getting rid of AMT because it's not doing anything and it's annoying me. Um, went in with 500 shares. And now I went in here with 800 shares. That's called Nightingaling. It's actually a roulette system. That's why on certain tables with roulette, I'm going to up my position here. 200. Maybe I should wait for a pullback. I think I'm going to wait for a pullback, take some profit now. I see a pullback coming. It needs to break over. It's very important that it breaks above 148.22. It's extremely important. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell 600 shares. So lock that profit in. And we're going to watch it from here now as it pulls back. I'm going to re-enter with even more. Normally you enter with less, but I am literally trying to dig myself out of a hole. So normally if you get in and out, you'll sell, like if you sell your 1,000 shares, if you decide to go back in, it's best to go back in with like 500 so you don't immediately lose everything you gained. Um, and then if you want to go back in a third time, you would do it with 250 shares. But because I'm nightingaling, it sounds very weird, but I'm nightingaling. But only on Saturdays. Um, So I'm increasing price as I go along. Come on, baby. You can do it. This is gonna continue. I can see this continuing. I could also see it dumping, like right now. I need a better chart. I can't see with this chart. Okay, we're at 146.05. We're at kind of like a pivotal level, a whole number level. 146.99. Okay, we got some high bids coming in. The ask is really high too, though. Doesn't look good here. Okay, good. All right, so we need to get the bid above 150. I want to see the bid above 146. That's not correct. Oh yeah, that's correct. It just changed. So it should be going up now. No, came back down. So the concept of Nightingale in roulette is you bet $1 on black, right? If you're wrong, then you bet $2 on black. If you're wrong, then you bet $4 on black. If you're wrong, you bet $6 on black. And so on and so forth. Um, until eventually you hit black or whatever. And what ends up happening is even though you might win $16, you really only won that initial $1. And that's why roulette tables have caps. It'll be like, oh, this is the 1 to 1,000 or 100 to 1,000 table. That stops you from nightingaling. So let's say you're 500 and then you double, and then you're 1,000 and you need to double. You can't. I guess you could always go to another table though, right? A higher table. Okay. I'm still holding Yuma. I should have sold it a long time ago. I'm so mad I didn't. Alright. Too focused on other stuff. Look at this old man using the word FOMO. He's like, there is no FOMO. Yeah. Alright. I'm getting it. I just got rid of my partial on come on. It's trying really hard to go up. There's definitely buyers today. Um, okay. It has to pop up here. If it doesn't, it's really bad. Okay. Yes, it is popping up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Woo! Sweating here, man. It's not even the amount of money. It's just I don't like to lose. There we go. We're about to break over intraday highs, which are 148.20. Oh, is it? Yep, 148.20. Nice, nice. Those options are up very high, right near my target, right near my target zone. I don't know. I think I should change it. 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 My target's 390. The trade price. Oh no, 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 no. We're nowhere near my target. What am I saying? My trade price is 490. We're at 450. I mean my sell price, my target. I think that we're gonna continue to the upside here. That's what I believe. I think that now people see the uptrend in Roku and this low price that they can get in on. What? Say less. Say less. All right. I also don't want to get filled. I feel like that's too early, my fill, 490. What if this goes up all day? Then I could buy more. Wait, I'm so confused. Okay, so we lost about 100 between UVXY and the losses on UVXY. Looks like it's gonna break 299. I mean, SBY looks like it's gonna break 299 for sure. What's the account at now? We're down $2, baby. Okay, let's get this account positive. There we go. Let's get it a little more positive so I could be happy. All right, let's like make $1,000 today, maybe. Um, I'm gonna hold on to VXY just until we see what happens at 299. All right, we have to break 147.50. We are kicking it right now. We are rallying. Ugh, I can't. I don't even. I can't even give out the text alert of Roku long. I wouldn't suggest getting in right here. All right, I got filled at my target, which is great, but I think this is gonna go up 10% today. So let's take a look at my liquid account, up 127. I closed those positions early. Let your winners run. And keep in mind, this was one option. You know, when I on my calls, I bought two puts. So I closed my position very early, very cheap, as cheap as I could, and I'm not gonna let this one go below 30. So up 126 on this account, and I think we're gonna have a pretty extraordinary day on this account. Roku. The good entry point on Roku right now is 120. I mean, I'm sorry, 148. We broke it. We broke it. You just you can't. It's a hard entry. It's killing it right now. It's killing it. Okay, I'm gonna toss that option now that UVXY because we look like we're gonna break 299 too. All right. Uh, wow. This is the comeback on Roku. Lewis, what are you talking about? All right, Roku's gonna run all day, guys. FYI. So I'm gonna sell here 15. No, I have 1,000 shares. I'm gonna sell 800 shares. Market sell. Why did it give me such a crappy fill? And I'm gonna just kind of let 200 run on my portfolio and let's watch those 200 here. Wow, it's gonna break into 150. I should just keep it at 800. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. Ooh, maybe that was the wrong move. Everybody's jumping into. Look at the volume over here. Oh no. Yeah, jumping in back in at that peak was the bad idea. No. Come on. Come on. There we go. Does anybody got any questions? Okay. First of all, that's not the platform to do that. Okay, there's instructions on. I just can't take it. There's instructions. This will all be fixed once the website's done. If you didn't follow the instructions that were on the PayPal buy it now button, right? If you fucked up, then don't post on my page, "Hey, you never gave me what I paid for," as if I'm scamming you. You didn't do the instructions. So I have to come find you. And when you have an unusual name and you're not friends with me, it's hard for me to sometimes find you. I hate that. Like everybody, I get it. People are being protective, but everybody thinks everybody's trying to scam them. Is there anything scamish about what I am doing today? So I hate when people treat me like a scammer. I hate it. It makes me it's so like I started this organically, this group. I just started trading. I was making money and I was doing really well. I was like, you know what? Let me show this. Maybe people can learn from it. And crap, we're pulling back here. Maybe people can learn from it or something. And people were like, "Hey, can you do text alerts?" I was like, "I guess." And then someone showed me how I could do it easy. I was like, "That's easy enough. I just type it into the computer and it sends it to their phone." Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I charge like $50 a pop. Okay. And then I went even less than that. I was like, you know what? It's 25 a pop. I just want people. I like having people in the group. That's all. Would be free, but we'd get a bunch of deadbeats. Don't want to pay nothing. Like another group I'm not going to mention. Aaron, it's not even about what people will say. It's just you did not do the proper instructions. I know who this person is that made this post, and they have a very unusual name, and I was not able to find. And here we go. Roku's gonna kick it all day. I I see a 7% upside day on Roku, guys. But anyway, yeah, keep going, baby boy. Oh yeah, well, there's a pivot point around where we are. I forgot. Yuma was fucking great, huh? Did anybody get in on Yuma? Oh no, we got quite a distance between both pivots, but we do look bullish today. It's not, yeah, like I said, it's not about what people say, it's how they try to expose you when, dude, you didn't follow the instructions. That's why I haven't added you yet. You don't have Telegram, you didn't put your phone number, and you're not even friends with me. So how am I supposed to find you? I sent you an email, and you still, I guess people don't check their email anymore. I sent you an email. I sent this person an email. I'm having a bitch fit. I'm gonna have a BF. Great movie. If you don't know that reference, you stink and you should jump off a bridge. Oh yeah, I love the one where. Thank you, Eric. So everybody that's in the trading pool, we are complete. We have all the funds. And that is a big, 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 big deal. Now, I want you to know that in the trading pool, the risks and things of that nature that I did today will not be happening. However, on a day like today, I would definitely go long Roku. I would definitely play Roku the same way I played it today. I would have cut the when I was wrong here. I would have cut it quicker, but absolutely, we're cutting our losses very much quicker than I do in my personal account. But the pool is ready. Come on, man. I want the whole pool. I want the whole pool in the private group right now. Where's that link? Sending out that link. I better see that. I better see 29 freaking members in the pool in this chat room. Otherwise, I don't love you anymore, and you're not my son. Was once said to me by my father. No, it wasn't. But he did say to me, "I'll just another have another." Yeah, he did say that to me. He was very mad though. Me and him get along really well. But when a father says stuff like that, kids don't forget it. All right, I think I'm gonna call it. What are we? Up 124 here, up 130, 13, 16. Let it go up a little more. Try to have a 2K day. All right, are you guys going? Oh, they keep talking about Peloton, man. Just stop. All right, who's from the pool? Who's from the pool? Paving the pool is, I don't know where you've been, but you clearly don't look at the alerts. We got a pool going on. We all put in together on an account. Look at this Roku. I sold that option too early. I knew I was doing it too. Oh no, it's still at the same mark, or either that or $100 over the mark I paid. It is, yeah, $100 over the mark I paid. It's okay. I'm making it up here. But it sucks because you have to wait for the money on this one. But I didn't get a. I paid in, but I didn't get. You don't need a link where to go. It's everything is going to be managed off the website. There's going to be a special entry page for you on the website. But here's what I want to do. I need everybody in on this. If you don't have it, get it. But I want you to see something here. Wait, can I show my Cash App name as long as it's not the card number? Okay. All right. Are you just saying that, Aaron, because you want to steal my money? See, everybody's a scammer. That's how people think. It's crazy, man. All right. Well, it's true. You gotta be careful. You are. You're literally telling me, and I'm laughing about it. Like, and then in 3 years, I'm gonna be like, that fucking bitch, Aaron. Right? That's how it works. Okay. So, boom, check it. Where are we at? We got my breakout trading Visa card. Uh, Everything is free, right? All transactions are free. I tried to use Zelly. I had a hard time. Oh shit, I'm not paying attention. I should have took a partial at the top there. This looks like a very dangerous lineup. Let's go, guys. Who's from the pool? If you're from the pool, Paving, the pool is a pool we all pooled in to trade money with. There'll be more opportunities in the future, but I'm gonna have to figure out how we do that. Holy shit. No, don't ask me that. All right, so let's see. Let's just put my face up. Whoa, that's too much. Too much me. While simultaneously trading, I could do so much. I could run a webinar, do text alerts, do the chat room, do other shit, and lose money at the same time. Come on, man. Don't do that to me. I'm gonna have to bounce out, man. If you cross that 147.50 line, dog, can't do that, though. There you go. There you go. No, no. All right. So, oh my God, how much information have you guys seen? None, because I can see the camera too. All right. So this is a boom. How dope is that? I thought that was so cool. The black card at Breakout Trading. And like here, boom. Breakout Trading Visa. So go to Cash App, set that shit up because that's how we're gonna get paid. Actually, no, it's not. We're getting paid through PayPal just in the beginning for tax reasons. I want to have everything in the same place. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Yo, 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 Ben. Yeah, we're not gonna do Cash App, but have one ready. Definitely get yourself a Cash App. Get yourself a cool Cash App card. They let you put designs on it and shit, but like they let you keep it simple. Like mine is dope as hell, as you can see. Visa. But anyway, so get the card anyway. Oh no, I have to get out of here. Damn, man. Too much playing around. That was a bad trade. I thought we were seeing a reversal. We're not. Or are we? I need to see a better chart. Flex Grid has Roku going down. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'll take it. Position. Now I'm short Roku again. The stock is ridiculous. It's gonna come down all the way to where it came up from. There's no way. It'll go down to the View app maybe. Sorry, you guys can't see what's going on. You just see my face. But yeah, poolers, we are essentially we were up $1,800 just not too long ago. Don't worry, Lukey boy can handle it. This looks like a full-on reversal here. I got too busy talking and distracted. But anyway, it's coffee and donut time, guys. And we'll let this ride down because it looks like that's what it is. It's definitely going to do. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cheers, guys. Wow, people are really selling this off. And it's gonna reverse here. It's gonna curve here. Bye bye. hello. Well, no, goodbye. Uh-oh. Okay. It's gonna reverse to the upside here. Come on. Come on. Maybe I'm wrong. Very possible I'm wrong here. Yeah, it's gonna pop up here soon. Soon. Just not right yet. Not yet. I'll sustain a little bit of stomach turning, but this should pop up here. That looks like a very healthy pullback. Like that is you have a when you have a mass rally like that, it is normal to see some selling off, which makes the stock actually more healthy, and that selling to me makes it more bullish. Believe it or not, because I say, okay, it's a positive number. It's about double as much buying going on as selling. And look, you can see here, this is where it starts to we start to get that curve of more buyers than sellers or willing to pay higher price. Look at the market pulling down. Oh, and Roku sometimes acts as a defensive. I was gonna hold that option too. I didn't. Okay, here we go. Now we should see a skyrocket because I'm not a genius. A lot of people recognize that formation, so they're gonna buy in. Get it? Does that make any sense? If it didn't make sense, that would make sense because it looks like Roku's not taking. Oh, there we go. Now it's taking. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, now we're gonna see if we can hit new highs. And I'm keeping my 1800 this time. I probably made $1,800 three times today. I don't know why it keeps ending up being that number, but it does. I love Roku because you can make big gains off of it now that it's bigger with less shares. So this trade is only going to cost me $7, and then seven on the other side, so $14 or 14.50 or $15. Matter of fact, I'm not really even sure. Somebody told me that in the demos they take 0.75, but in a paid account they take 0.06 or 0.006 rather. All right, brother. Take it easy. Sean, I owe you some moolah, man. I can't fit you in. I we are actually a little diluted. Not a lot, but since everybody fixed their accounts, uh, all that commission money came in. All that PayPal commission money came in. Well, oh. So we are a little diluted, and what I mean by that is we're a little diluted. Now, if you don't like it, I mean, I don't know really what to do about that. It just happened organically. I didn't. It's my fault. I should have been more specific. Pay obviously friend to friend. You don't pay for good. Why would you? I understand why you would click goods and service because you feel like it's a service, but it's not. We are trading as a pool, as a friend, as friends. If we did this as like a good and service, it makes it a little more legal. For the a little more illegal. Not more. It makes it illegal potentially. Well, technically not because Tradenet is a off seas corporation, so it's completely legal even if you did it to me in like a business type transaction. Um, but I feel safer. Let's just put it that way. If we just do it like as we were all friends, we bought a pool type thing. Understand? I don't want to go to prison over this. Yeah, let me refund you right now as a matter of fact. Actually, give me 1 second. I might need that money. I'm going in debt here. Upside down cup of handle Roku. Position, market, sell. Uh, okay. 1,000 shares, market short. Let's see if this plays out. Yes, it is. This is going to dump right now. Head and shoulders as well. You see the head and shoulders there? Cup and handle. Let's see if it matures. Come on, come on, come on. This is going to hit its pivot point. 133. It has to. Excuse me, it has to. It would be too phenomenal if it didn't. A tree doesn't grow to the moon. Oh, shoot. It didn't mature. I have to run today too. I wish I would have just sold when I was. Such a weird formation. Double bottom, maybe? Are we looking at a double bottom? Yeah, potentially. This turned into a double bottom. Let's see. What are you gonna do? Which way are you gonna go, Roku? Make up your goddamn mind. Okay, it's going down. Meet me in the back room. It's going down. Crap. I think it's gonna pop up right after this. No, that was the wrong intuition. Here we go. It's okay. Full maturity of a cup and handle. Let's see if it can break the view app. If it can break the view app, it's really strong. If it can't break the view app, okay. I think it broke the view app. No, it did on my end. Yeah, it broke the view at, right? Oh, it's choppy, huh? A lot of buying at that VWAP level. If it goes below that VWAP level, it's sink city. You know that. Okay, I just got a crossover, so I'm gonna sell 800 of these or buy the cover 800 now. And I got 200 shares left, but there is a crossover to buy that just popped up right here as if it can't go any lower. So I'm gonna take that crossover and run with it. Why not? Let's just see first. Let's wait for the confirmation. So it says to buy right here. Is it right? It might just be. So let's go 500 market buy. All right, so now I'm long 500 shares and it's popping up. That's amazing. That's perfect charting. That's perfect use of studies. That's experience. So much wrapped into one. Get Cash App as well, but we are going to for how's this gonna work? For tax reasons, we're still trying to figure that out, and I literally haven't moved from here. So I need to go see an accountant and talk to an accountant. So today I'm leaving at around 12 o'clock, 12:30, and I will be doing multiple things like seeing an accountant. I'm also going to a back to the store to see if we can't get little cards like that would be like done through authorized.net. That would be just a breakout card. That'd be really cool. It'd be like a loyalty card. I don't know, but I'm going back to that card store. I just loved it. It wasn't a card store, it was a marketing store. And she had so much stuff. And she showed me the cards, and I was like hooked. I was like, we could use these on some kind of loyalty program because each card has a digit. Like, I don't actually have to slide it. I just have to slide it to upgrade it and to you know, what do you call it? Activate it and then mail it to you. Um, yeah, we broke the VWAP, dog. You were wrong. That crossover was way wrong. No, it wasn't. Look at them trying to sell annuities on a commercial. They literally have the right. They take a fee, 1% a year out of your annuities for marketing costs. Bet you didn't. I think I should get out. I think the crossover's wrong. Yeah, I'm not taking that hit. I should have just hung in there. Let me, now I have to Nightingale. So I'm going in twice as heavy because I screwed up. I'm sorry, I'm at office. Missed earlier what you were explaining. Is this demo account that you are using, or this is a real account? That's why I'm like pissed off. I was up 1800 before, and then I was talking. I'm not gonna sit here and trade, but that's the issue. Demo accounts, they say demo next to the uh, account number. But I really need this market to go up right here. I'll take $300 at this point because I got shit to do today. There we go. Um. Oh yeah. So I was about the cards. I'm going back to those ladies. It's like a loyalty program for members, and I think that would be the shares that were introduced in the beginning of the company. Because technically there are shareholders of this company. That are going to get paid once the website is created. That was the promise. I always keep my promise. I always keep my word. So I think, yeah, people always say this person that, this, and that. Who cares? We are here to make money. Are you talking about earlier when I got annoyed? Yeah. And now I feel bad because she's a member now. And I just went very mean. All right, so that was beautiful, beautiful charting. This is the crossover. Make sure you put it in your Tradenet portfolio. I'll show you which one it is. This is the ADX crossover. It's set at 14 above 20. Um, that's the default, so I think you don't even have to touch it. You just have to get the ADX crossover. Matter of fact, Thinkorswim used to be sold only because it had crossovers, and then they eventually put a million other bells and whistles on it. But it was sold to TD just with the crossovers. It's some kind of algorithmic program that can use AI to tell, or not AI, so to speak, but algorithms. I confuse the two um, as a way to make money. All right, so notice that the market's been doing this pop, pop, drop, pop, pop, drop, pop, pop. Nothing here indicates to me that this is a reversal. Okay, so we do have three white. What do they call that? The opposite of three black crows is three white knights. We have two white knights. Now this could be followed by. We really need this to be followed by another white knight or another green candle. And that would kind of give us confirmation. I know that this one's like kind of green, but you can't really count it because it's like a spinning top. See? It almost looks like it wants to reverse to the downside and continue with this popping and then dropping formation. Um, yep. Well, let me be easy. Let me be easy. I'm a little trigger happy today. Imagine being a cop and being trigger happy. Like that's some deadly shit right there. Why'd you kill that man? I don't know. I just woke up a little trigger happy. Well, you just yeah. It probably happens. It probably happens. You know, you when you're trading. Okay, we got our three white knights, so we're good. I'm not too worried about the reversal right now. Um, Now we got a red. It should be followed by a red, and then the next one should be a green candle. If the next one is a red, then that's not a good situation. The next one should be a green. Yeah, that one has to be green and go at least as high or above that red. Okay. At this point, it might be good to take a partial. Come on, go a little higher. Did I miss it? Okay, I'm taking a partial here. I'm in 200 shares. What? What did I joke about? I didn't make any jokes. Yeah, I know. I'm all over happy. It's true. I'm sure it happens. It does, man. You weren't here. Were you here the day we made a prank phone call? I don't know how we ended up on some comedy club. We were looking up something on Google, and I don't know what the heck it was, but we. Oh, you were there for the prank phone call? You were here, Derek? I don't know. I know you would know. I did like a southern accent, and I was talking to myself back and forth on the phone with a comedy club. Damn, I don't even know where that video is. I mean, it's obviously on YouTube. Yeah, I got you. Well, I like the new 2 week satisfaction guarantee. Lets people know. I definitely think you did it. Uh-oh, it falls down the thing. Ready for action? Tell me the Apple phone as a way to magically, I just say phone, and it just comes to my hand. I gotta get the new iPhone 11. I gotta do it. Oh, I don't think I can play this. They'll shut down my video. Ah, blah, 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 blah. I can only play my own content. There we go. I've heard that, but not. I don't own many things that I love, and I love my iPhone. And I actually, when I was upgrading computers for Breakout trading, um, I bought the iMac and I loved that, but unfortunately I had to give it back up. But I think I now have to buy another one. I had to like return it to get the Omen. Better specs, man. And we were using Webinato at the time, which was only useful on like what do you call it? Windows. So unfortunately, I had to use this, and it has better specs anyway. Um, and we were using the bathing between an apple. Debati. Yeah, apparently not. Either that or I'm retarded. One of the two. Oh, you're debating. I thought you were bathing. Okay, you're debating on an Apple between an Apple or Windows monitor or actual computer. I gotta say, man, Apple is Windows will definitely support more trading platforms. That's correct. But Apple, I might have to get for video editing software, unless anybody knows some dope video editing software. Because that shit comes like standard on your Apple. Um, and it works fast and it's flawless, and they have the fucking Core i9 now, which is literally useless. It's like useless. It's like having a fifth wheel on a car. It serves no purpose. You don't need it. But they made the Core i9 because it just, it's a sales gimmick. Adobe Pretty Video Editing, Premiere Video Editing. Sorry, I'm getting off the text. Am I long or short? I'm long. Sorry, guys. Um, wow, we're getting to the technological stage. Hold on, I have to sell this. Where I am digitally texting you guys in the chat and then texting here and apologizing to my text for texting. That's bad. That's really bad. man. See, I shouldn't have got out. Come on, break that view up, baby. There we go. There we go. For this entry, I simply used the TTM squeeze followed by it turned blue, but now it just okay. So the TTM arrow came, the TTM squeeze turns yellow, it popped up. This might just that this might be it. Like I might just take $50, $100, whatever I can get on it. But the particular location of the pop is over the VWAP, so there is a possibility the trend could take and carry. But it doesn't look like it's actually I don't want to dismiss it yet. What? Sorry, let me read your questions. I will ask my family. He is a tech guy. Okay, cool. Need a fifth wheel if the fourth wheel is pops. That's true. Actually, what I said made perfect sense. Every car technically needs a fifth wheel. Like maybe on the back, it doesn't necessarily need to be spinning like a truck or whatever. But here we go. Here's the pop up. So the TTM was correct for the most part. We got a little bit of a double bottom situation going on as well. So we might see a rally here. I think we are. Oh shit, look at that move. Kind of just got to let this ride, but I don't really have time. Let me make $500 today on here. 1420, there we go. 1421, 1418, 1415, 1420, 140. I keep saying 14, but okay, 125. Let's go to 28. Let's go to 28. Come on. All right, I'm out of everything. Whoa, almost spilled that. Might be good to actually stay in Roku, but I can't manage it right now. I'm up on the day, 124 plus 577. Ridiculous. I should be up so much more. Maybe I should go back in Roku. No, I'm done. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Bing, bang, boom. Shh. I'll see you later. That was eBay, and then the next is ready. YouTube. YouTube, y'all are gonna get a better one. I'm gonna blow up my face for y'all. This is what YouTube sees right now. All right, YouTube. Thank you for trading with Luke from Breakout Trading. Make sure to join our team, and you could be eligible Where'd it go? Some exit. Sorry, Drade. I'm dropping papers on you. You guys don't even know this, but there is a tied up hooker next to me that's gagged the whole time. Is Roku rallying? No. Uh, where did it go? Did I put it in my wallet? I did put it in my wallet. All right, guys. All right, YouTube. Thank you so much for joining. I love this. I love this. I want you guys to see this as well. It matches the shirt number. The shirt. Oh yeah, and Sean, I will give you your refund right after this. But the card matches the shirt. It says Breakout Trading, and it says Breakout Trading. You know, and then Lindenhurst, New York, but it doesn't say that over here. And that freaking dope as hell. Same colors, black and green. I think I like black and green. I love the like just the look of black and green over the blue that we got for breakout trading. Blue is such a common market color. What do you guys think? Let me know. Put it in the text there. My hair needs to be fixed up. It sticks up. I like it to stay down. All right, y'all. Deuces.